You can create great 3D animations with plugin-free, After Effects, and Cinema 4D working together. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be informed about new videos. First, we create a new composition. Then, we draw an ellipse and fix the center point. We bring the ellipse to the center of the composition. We activate the 3D button. If you don't see the geometry options, go to the composition settings, select Cinema 4D from the 3D render. Open the geometry options, select the bevel style as convex. Set the bevel depth to 5, and the extrusion depth to 120. Then open the material options, set the specular intensity value to 100, and the specular shininess value to 25. Then create a point light. Set its color as you wish. And place it in the composition like this. Create a point light again. Set its color. And place it in the composition like this. Now select the shape layer, press or set the Y rotation value like this. Then create a new solid. Set its name, the color does not matter. Go to Effects, add the gradient ramp effect to the solid we created. Make the first color purple. The second color black and set the center point like this. Replace the linear ramp with a radial ramp, set the ramp scatter value to 150. Now activate the Y rotation. Press P, activate the position. Press the letter U, and set the depth value of the position to 3000. Move forward 2 seconds. Set the depth value of the position to 0. And set the rotation value like this. Select all keyframes and give it easy ease. Select the keyframes of the position. Open the graph editor and set the speed graph like this. Now let's import the After Effects logo. Let's activate the 3D button and bring it to the required size. I don't like the color of the lights here. It would be useful to correct their colors. You can change the colors as you want. Now adjust the timeline accordingly so that the logo appears in the appropriate place. And make the logo layer a split layer. And delete the remaining part in front. Select the logo layer and add a mask. Activate the mask path keyframe. And adjust the mask in a way that suits the circle's rotation. Let's watch now. Very good. But we can improve it a little more. Now let's create a new light. Let's set its color. Activate its position at the beginning, go to the second and set its position like this. It would be great if we change its color and make it dark blue. Let's watch. Perfect. This is the video up to here. Please tell us what you think in the comments. I read all the comments one by one. Don't forget to subscribe and open notifications. See you in new videos.